So I've just removed the wheel. What I'm going to do later is paint these silver. I think they'd look quite nice. That lead here is the one that we need to replace, and that seems to go up here and under this through there. So I'm going to have to undo this plastic cover here and remove that to get to the end of the lead to unplug it. So that's the next plan, to undo the bolts here under there. Okay, so just under that clip that we showed you through there is actually the lead. I did undo those wires, or undo this, so I could pull it down, and then you can find the lead behind there, which is tucked away under this plastic cover. So then you just pull this apart, and that's your old lead. So now we just need to undo behind there, which is probably the 10mm socket again, to pull that out, which is hard to see, but we'll get in there. Just taking this off. So that's come out now. Come out of that little hole there. So what I'll do is I'll just clean that up, the cloth, just make it all nice and clean, and then we'll start pinning it all back together again. This is our replacement, so that needs obviously clipping like that one there. Should be the same. Yeah. And then yeah. Okay, so this is our new lead here. So we've just got to plug that back up into there once we've connected this here in behind there. So that's our next job. There's our screw. This was £26.99 from eBay, and it's a direct replacement for this. So next job is to refit this up. Okay, that's reattached now. So that was an 8mm socket that did that. Then this pops in there, then you feed this up and fit that up onto that bit over there. So we're going to do that now and then reattach it under there. Okay, so as you can see, I've connected it up here. I've now reconnected it here, and this just pushes in into this hole here, and then that's all sealed then, and this we can bolt back up again, and then we can turn the engine on and test it, make sure that it has cleared the codes and stays clear. Okay, so that's now all connected up there. That's all refixed up onto there. The lead goes in where it should. And now we're just going to switch it on and see if all the error codes have gone.